In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion automations. By the end, you'll know how to create a simple, reliable workflow you can run with a single click. First, open Notion and head to the page where you want the automation to live. It can be any page, your tasks hub, a project dashboard, or a database page. Starting in the right place keeps your automation close to where you'll use it. On that page, type /template button and choose template button from the menu. This button is the trigger for your automation. And think of it as a shortcut you can press anytime you want. Notion to perform a series of actions for you. Give the button a clear, descriptive name that matches what it does. Names like Create Weekly Review, Kick Off New Project, or Close Out Sprint work well. Using consistent, action-oriented names makes it much easier to find and manage automations as your workspace grows. Next, click New Action to start adding functionality. This is where you define the behavior. You're essentially telling Notion what should happen when you press the button. From the action menu, choose the option that fits your workflow. You might create tasks, move or duplicate pages, update properties in a database, or even close a project by changing its status. Think about the tasks you repeat often and pick actions that will save you the most clicks. Now enter your command or instructions for that action. Be precise. Make sure property names match your database, choose the right destination for moved pages, and set default values that reduce manual edits. Clear setup here ensures the automation runs exactly as intended. When everything looks good, click Done to finalize the setup. Before you move on, take a moment to review your selections, double-check property mapping, and confirm any default text or dates are correct. If you'd like reminders, you can set them up anywhere in Notion by typing the @ symbol or /add and choosing Remind Me. This is optional, but it's helpful for deadlines or follow-ups tied to your automation. Click the reminder to edit it, then select a specific date and time. You can also use natural language like tomorrow morning or next Friday at 3 p.m. Align the reminder with your schedule so it appears when you need it most. Finally, test your template button. Run it once, verify the actions complete as expected, and start using it in your daily workflow. Over time, you can refine the button, stack multiple actions, and streamline even more steps to boost productivity. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.